Model, 2009 Renault Master LM35dCi 100 Crewvan needs turbo replacement. Body, grey, minibus. Mileage, 111186. Engine, 2464 cc DC2 G6B. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbo needs replacing. The old turbo has been taken off, ready for new turbo to be fitted. We have started the engine for a couple of seconds and it sound brilliant. This is a straightforward turbo replacement job. All of the parts. Are there nothing missing at all? Very clean job. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, air con, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 4. HPI,